Day to all of you. I am P. Saravanan, Associate Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, Vedavyasa Institute of Technology. Today we will see some videos related to ground improvement techniques. All the videos are downloaded from YouTube only. I am acknowledging that. We'll see some videos about the ground improvement techniques. Okay, ground improvement techniques. Ground improvement techniques means uh, sometimes we need to construct building in a poor quality soil. Within simple limit, always we can't expect a good quality soil. Sometimes we need to construct a building in poor quality soil also. At that time, we need to improve the quality of the earth, quality of the ground. That means increasing the strength of the soil by some methods. After increasing the strength of the soil, we can able to construct a building on that. If we are constructing with the poor or loose soil, building may collapse. There is a possibility. So we need to increase the strength of the soil. There are many methods are there. These also some methods. Other than these, some other methods are also there. These are the major methods: densification, replacement, drainage and consolidation, chemical stabilization, and reinforcement. Densification is just compacting the soil. That means removing the air from the soil. Replacement means replacing the existing soil with a good quality soil. Consolidation means removing the water from the soil. Chemical stabilization means adding some chemicals from the soil to increase the strength. And reinforcement means giving the steel reinforcement to the soil to give more strength of the soil, just like a reinforcement in the concrete, like that. This is densification. Falling very heavy weight from some distance from the top, they are densifying the soil or compacting the soil. They are removing the air from the soil. See how they are dropping the weight from the top. Heavy weight dropping from some height, so that the bottom soil will get denser, will get some more densification. Uh, this is also called compaction. These are the equipment they are using. See how they are compacting. The weight of the equipment is not always same. Also, the height is not always same. This depends on the soil and the required densification. If the heavy weight is fall from the top, the soil get densified, and we can able to construct building over that. Soil become very good soil after that. This is called densification. This is also a kind of densification. See the site, but here there is no fall of weight from height like previous case. Here just vibration is there, nothing else. This is the weight. They just placing the weight on the soil. See how they are placing the weight. After placing the weight, they just vibrating the weight. See here, they just vibrating. Some arrangement is there on the top to vibrate. Here, see, it is going up and down. So by this way, they are making the soil dense. After that, the loose soil over that densified soil is removed, so that we are getting the very good soil at the bottom. We are getting very good soil at the bottom. So these are the procedure how they are using that. Okay, this is second method, replacement. Replacement means replacing the existing soil with good soil. Initially, they will make a hole on the soil, and then the bottom soil will be removed. One column of soil will be removed. And later, sand will be placed on that column of the hole. Initially, hole is made. Second, with the high pressure water is going inside. Due to the high pressure water, the bottom loose soil will come out to the top place. Okay, come out to the top. So the one hole we will get one hole. Okay, full hole we will get. Then in that hole sand will be placed. Later the sand will be uh, they what they say the sand will be compacted later, so that we will get a good sand column. Good sand column. That sand column we can construct a building. You see they pouring the sand there. The sand will be densified later, so that we will get a good sand column on the earth. Okay, sir. So we are getting good sand column on the earth. So that building is possible. See how they are doing. Initially they just removed the sand, remove the existing soil. Now they are replacing the hole with the sand, nothing else. Like this, many column they will made. Then mat foundation is possible over there. Without providing this, if they construct building, then building may sink inside the soil. Okay. This is called replacement. This is consolidation. What is consolidation? Consolidation means removing water from the soil. See here, they are initially they are injecting small pipes inside the soil. So the all the water will collect inside the pipe. They are making a surcharge over the soil. So after making a small hole inside the soil, they will put a surcharge over that. Surcharge means a kind of soil only, the heavy weight soil. They will make a surcharge over the soil, so that due to the weight of the surcharge, the soil get compressed. Due to the compression, some water will be released from the soil, and it will be collected in the pipe, small pipes. Then later on, in the small pipes, water is collected to the main drainage. So finally, the water will be removed from the soil. See here, initially pipe is inserted. That is pipe, the perforated pipe. The pipe wall is open, so that water will come inside the pipe. The water will all the side, water will come and collect. Water will come to the pipe from all the side, so that it will be collected in the pipe. Later, surcharge is provided like this. Due to the weight of the surcharge, the soil get compressed, water is released into the pipe, then all the water will be collected to some other place. This is called consolidation. By this way, the water is removed from the soil. Later on, road is provided over there. This is reinforcement. Reinforced wall is used here. So this type of vertical wall, the back side of the vertical wall, reinforced earth will be there. Generally, it is available here also. This type of vertical wall always contains, most of the time in foreign countries, it contains some reinforced earth to the back side to avoid overtopping of the vertical wall. Otherwise, there is no reinforced earth is there, then it will overtop to this side. Okay, this wall may come to this side. That means that the kind of failure. If there is no reinforced earth is there at the back side of this wall, then this wall may come to this side. That type of failure is possible. To avoid that type of failure, we are using reinforced earth. Okay, so see how they are doing the reinforced earth in actually field. Actually field, how they are making the reinforced earth installation. This is level ground. Initially they have to construct a wall. This is the wall. Here is the passage. This is the passage. This is the fill area, and here this is the hook to make the retaining reinforcement. This is a kind of hook. So initially there is earth fill here. Over the reinforcement is there. Again over the reinforcement earth fill will be there. Again reinforcement. Again earth fill. Like that it will be there. So this is the reinforcement. Okay. The basic concept is that the wall to overtopping of what for the failure of the wall, what needs to happen is that the wall should go to this side. So wall should go to this side. So wall to go to this side, that need to pull the reinforcement also. But the reinforcement uh, is that is easily cannot be movable, because we cannot move the reinforcement easily, because that is under friction with the earth. So the failure will be avoided. Failure is avoided in this case. So next we will see some pictures. See here, this is the retaining wall uh, that is made in factories, already made, like bricks. They are making wall. Okay. So they are installing the walls. After installation, they are filling the earth, the backside of the wall. After filling the earth, they are fixing the reinforcement. See here how they are fixing the reinforcement. These are reinforcement. These are reinforcement. These are reinforcement, stock reinforcement. Steel only, like concrete steel. The steel we are using in concrete, the same they are using here also. This is the picture of earth fill with steel. Above this also earth fill will come. So finally they finish the wall. The finished wall, the back side of this having the reinforced earth. Chemical stabilization. Chemical stabilization means they are giving some strength to the basic natural soil by giving some chemicals, by injecting some chemicals. Generally it may be lime or cement. They are injecting to the soil. See how they are injecting. Here they are injecting a pipe. The pipe is removing, they are injecting the cement or lime, so that the soil gets strength. After that they can construct building over there. It is good for the building. A good soil, the building will get a good soil at the bottom. So this is chemical stabilization. Some other methods are also there for chemical stabilization. See here, this is just like a sand replacement. They are replacing that loose soil with cement, nothing else. Loose soil with the cement grouting. Here also with the pressure water is coming at, so that the soil will be replaced by the cement grout, just like sand replacement, nothing else. Then building may construct over there. It will be good for the building. Okay. Next, to see here there are different varieties of the cement groutings, grouting techniques, how they are doing. Here cement grouting. So injecting. This is deep injection, very deep injection. Injection. When that is coming out, cement is grouted. The cement will reach wherever there is a fault, wherever there is a loose soil. The cement will go to that place and fill that voids, so that it will be safe for the building. And this is another type. Here they are injecting mainly for a foundation. If the foundation is weak, they can give like this. Particularly for a isolated foundation, just giving. They are injecting the cement under the foundation to strengthen the weak soil under the foundation. Next case is here also it is same. Strengthen to give strength to the soil. Initially they will make a hole, then they will inject cement or lime over that. Okay. By this way the bottom soil is strengthened. That's all. Thank you.